If you're serious about smoothies, soups, nut butters, or even frozen desserts, choosing the right blender makes all the difference. Today, I'm breaking down 5 powerful blenders, their real strengths, a few drawbacks, and who they are actually best for. Let's jump in. Number 1. Vitamix Propel Series 510. The Vitamix Propel 510 is built for people who want professional blending without complexity. Its powerful 2-horsepower motor and stainless steel blades easily crush ice, frozen fruits, and tough greens. I really like the 3 automatic programs for smoothies, soups, and frozen desserts. Just press a button and let it work. Plus, the self-cleaning feature is a huge time saver. Pros: extremely powerful and consistent blends, easy self-cleaning and durable build. Cons: pricey compared to standard blenders. Smaller 48-ounce container for big families. If you want legendary Vitamix performance in a simpler package, this is a rock-solid choice. Number 2. Breville Super Q Blender. The Breville Super Q is a beast, and surprisingly quiet. With an 1800-watt motor and noise suppression technology, it delivers silky results without sounding like a jet engine. You get 5 one-touch programs, 12 speeds, and even a personal blender cup. It's incredibly versatile for smoothies, soups, nut butters, and more. Pros: extremely powerful yet quiet. Large 68-ounce jar plus personal cup. Cons: expensive. Takes up more counter space. This is perfect if you want top-tier power with premium features and less noise. Number 3. Vitamix Ascent X5. The Vitamix Ascent X5 is all about smart blending. It offers 10 blending programs, a digital timer, and even a tamper indicator that tells you when thicker blends need help. The results are incredibly smooth, and the build quality feels premium from top to bottom. Pros: smart features and ultra-consistent results. Long 10-year warranty. Cons: very expensive. Advanced features may be overkill for casual users. If you want the most advanced Vitamix experience, this is the flagship pick. Number 4. KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender. The KitchenAid K400 is a great balance between power and affordability. Its IntelliSpeed motor automatically adjusts based on what you're blending, and the ribbed jar design creates a strong vortex for smoother results. It handles greens, ice, and nuts better than you'd expect at this price. Pros: smart motor control, more affordable than premium competitors. Cons: smaller capacity, not ideal for heavy-duty daily use. A great choice for everyday blending without spending premium-level money. Number 5. Breville Fresh and Furious. The Breville Fresh and Furious is perfect if you want strong performance at a lower price. It features one-touch programs, quiet operation, and even ice crushing that turns ice into snow. It's fast, efficient, and very user-friendly. Pros: excellent value for money, quiet and easy to use. Cons: less powerful than high-end models, not designed for heavy commercial-style use. This is an excellent pick for smoothie lovers who want quality without overspending. Each of these blenders shines in its own way, whether you want top-tier power, smart features, or great value. Check the links below for the best current prices, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if this helped you choose the right blender for your kitchen.